Hi everyone, so in today's video we will be making some game assets by going into Blender. So let's get started. So first we will make a pumpkin, a low poly pumpkin. So let's shift A, isosphere, and I think this spot is perfect. 5.05 and set 0.5. There we go. Here. Nice, and it's a little too round for a pumpkin, I think. Let's make it a little flat. Nice. Let's switch our rendering into workbench. New. I will drag and drop my palette. Please color. Let's enable this and that. Good. And we have our scale 0. This to a little bit orange. Nice. Select this. I can select that, this, that. And nice. Let's take it to a black space. And select all of that. Take it to a green space. Nice. So we have a little pumpkin ready for us. For a game to be implemented in a game. So there we go, we have a pumpkin. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Discord. I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.